the heart of wilderness, where mountains kiss the sky and rivers run free, we find ourselves humbled by the grandeur of nature's symphony. Welcome to the Amazon Rainforest, the world's largest tropical rainforest. This pristine wilderness is not just a majestic spectacle. It plays a crucial role in maintaining the balance of our planet's ecosystem. The Amazon rainforest produces 20% of the world's oxygen and absorbs a significant amount of carbon dioxide, thus helping to mitigate climate change. The biodiversity of the Amazon rainforest is unparalleled, with millions of species of plants, animals, and insects yet to be discovered. From the canopy-dwelling birds to the elusive jaguars roaming the forest floor, every corner of the Amazon Indigenous communities have long been the stewards of the Amazon rainforest, living in harmony with the land and preserving its delicate balance. Their deep knowledge of the forest's resource are enduring, and their sustainable practices have sustained both their way of life and the ecosystem around them. However, the Amazon rainforest faces an unprecedented threat from deforestation, illegal logging, and climate change. Every minute, an area the size of a football field is lost to unsustainable practices, jeopardizing the future of this vital ecosystem and the entire planet. Despite these challenges, there is hope. Dedicated conservationists, scientists, and local communities are coming together to protect the Amazon rainforest, implementing sustainable practices and advocating for its preservation. Through education, awareness, and action, we can all be guardians of this irreplaceable natural treasure. As we stand at a crossroads for the future of our planet, let us remember that the fate of the Amazon rainforest is in our hands. Together, we can ensure that this magnificent ecosystem thrives for generations to come. Join us on this journey to protect the Amazon rainforest, the heartbeat of our planet.